Learning more tonight about the first lawsuits from Amtrak passengers after that deadly derailment on Monday. There will be many more civil cases filed in the next few days and weeks, but lawyers tell us now that Amtrak is telling victims they already gave up their right to sue.
Amtrak is taking the position and has told passengers not only that they are not at fault for anything, but also that they have in the fine print on the back of the ticket is a comprehensive waiver.
Lawyer Jerry Schlichter's filed some of the first civil cases, including against Amtrak as a result of the derailment. He says the waiver keeps passengers from taking Amtrak to court. Instead, it would send all these claims to arbitration. That's a different legal process with different rules.
If the goal is to get to the facts and the bottom of what happened and who's responsible, arbitration gets in the way of getting that necessary information.
Even in a civil court case, Jerry says both the victims and the people they're suing would have access to a lot of information, like crash data about the derailment, emails about previous issues, and much more.
That's all available in a court. It's called discovery. You can discover what the other side has. In arbitration, not available.
Amtrak's been criticized for this before. After implementing these waivers in January of 2019, a bill was introduced in the Senate trying to ban mandatory arbitration like this, but it hasn't gone anywhere.
That will have to be sorted out by a court, but I would suggest that there are few people who got on that train who ever thought that if something catastrophic like this happened, they would be prohibited from going into court for their injuries.
We reached out to Amtrak tonight. They didn't respond directly to our question about the arbitration clause. They said that they will respond through the courts process.